So in this video, we'll see how to print the duplicate values in ArrayList. So to print the values, let's create an ArrayList first. So we'll say that we have an ArrayList which is, let's say we have persons. So we have persons, or we'll say instead of say names equal to new ArrayList. So we have an ArrayList here, which is ArrayList. We'll say type of string, and let's add some values here. So we'll say names dot add. The first value I want to add here is Navin, and let's print some more values. So here we'll say the next name is Mangesh, and the last name we have is Rahul. Okay, so now I want to print this value. So we have an array list with 3 values. To print this, we can use enhanced for loop as we have seen in the earlier tutorials. So we'll say this is string name in names, and we'll print each name here. So we'll say let's print name. Now if I run this loop, so for sure the output will be Navin, Mangesh and Rahul, right? But let's say I just want to print unique values. So what we can do is, or just I want to print the duplicate values, not the unique values, but the duplicate values. So let's say if I have one more Mangesh here, so you will say add Mangesh. I want to print only Mangesh, not Navin and Rahul. So if I run this, it will print all the elements, right? So I don't want to print Navin and Rahul, and I just want to print Mangesh only one time. So the way you can do this is you can create a set, because set only takes unique elements. So we'll say we'll be having a set of string. We'll say s equal to new. The implementation of set is has set, which is this. So if you don't know how to use set and has set, you can check out my collection playlist. So in that you will see how to use set and has set. Let's import the package, and what we'll do is we'll pick up each name and we'll say if, because see in this set we have a method called as set.add, and it will take a string argument here. But if you can see, it returns something. It returns a boolean value, which means if your values get added, it will return true. If that value is already there, it will return false. So what we can simply do is we can just go here and say if s.add will add a value which is name, if it is equal to false, then only will print the name, otherwise will not print the name. And if I run this, you can see the output is Mangesh. Okay, let me add one more thing. Let me just repeat one more name, which is, let's say, Navin. So if I go here and say Navin, it will, if I run this, you can see we have 2 names, which is Mangesh and Navin, which are getting repeated. So how it is working here is it going for this for loop in which it is checking the value of, it's trying to add the name inside a set. So initially it will add Navin, everything goes good, it will return true, which is not false, it will not print the name. It will enter Mangesh, it will not print the name. It will enter Rahul, it will not print the name. But as soon as you try to enter or insert Mangesh, it's already there. So this set will give you a false value when add. And once you get the false value, you have to print it. So this is what we are doing here. Clear? So this is how you have to print the duplicate elements in an array list. Cool. So that is from this video. For further videos, do subscribe.